Let's start. Today we will see how to create an action chip in Flutter Android. Let's see the main.dart file. First, we import this Dart package. Then, we create the stateless widget called myApp in the main function. This is the myApp stateless widget. We create a material app and apply a theme in the build function. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called myHomePage. This is the myHomePage stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _myHomePageState. This is _myHomePageState class. Here we will design our app. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The appBar attribute is set to the appBar widget. We have used the title variable as the title of this appBar. The body attribute is set to the center widget. Inside that, we have an action chip widget. Here we set the various attributes of the action chip, like label, elevation, press elevation, background color, padding, etc. The action chip comes with its own click listener, unlike the normal chip that we saw in the previous Flutter tutorial. So when an action chip is clicked, this onPressed function gets called. Here we show a snack bar message. Then, we have the avatar and shape attributes at the end. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can show an action chip in Flutter Android. Thank you.